Study about the quadratic equations, which you all know that the quadratic equation has a standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c. If it is a function, then it should be represented by f of x, whereas separately the quadratic equation can be written in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Whereas a is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, and c is a constant term with no degree. So here our criteria is to factor a trinomial in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, but make sure that the factor a, the coefficient of the x square, is 1. So understand the idea with the help of an example. If x square minus 6x plus 8 equals to 0 is written, so you have to factor the c. It means you have to factor the third term, that is 8, so that the sum is equals to the middle term, that means the b, which is equals to negative 6. So think of two numbers which gives you 8 when you multiply. So you all know that 2 times 4 will gives me 8. So if I add plus 2 plus 4, it gives me plus 6, but my required term is negative 6, or you can say my required coefficient is negative 6. And if I write here negative 2 and negative 4, so I know that negative times negative positive, and 4 times 2 will gives you positive 8. And if you write negative 2, negative 4 in your head, you can get negative 6 as a sum. So you have the two factors which are in the right condition, that means the negative 2 and negative 4. So make two brackets. Since the first term is x square, so you just separate them into x times x, that is x square. The first factor is negative 2 and the second factor is negative 4, and everything is equals to 0. Now in the end, you have to write the first term, that means x minus 2 equals to 0, and then write down x minus 4 equals to 0 and solve for x. So for that purpose, you have to bring the 2 on the other side. When negative 2 goes on the other side, it becomes plus 2. When negative 4 will be kept on this other side, it will become 4. So your two values or two answers or two x-intercepts or two factors are 2 and 4. Let's go through more examples. The first is t square minus 4t minus 21. So you have to factor negative 21 so that the sum is negative 4. So you know that 7 times 3 will gives you 21. Since you need a negative 4, so just on the bigger number put a negative sign and on the smaller plus sign, because minus times plus will gives you negative, so you got negative 21 on multiplying, and negative 7 plus 3 will give you negative 4, which is your desired b term. Now you have two factors, make the two brackets. Since we use the t alphabet, so write the t here, write the t over here. Now the first factor is negative 7 and the second factor is positive 3, and everything is equals to 0. Here you have to write 1 time t minus 7 equals 0, and 1 time you have to write t plus 3 equals to 0. Bring negative 7 on other side, so you will get t equals to 7 as the first root. Bring the 3 on another side, you will get t as equals to negative 3 as the second root.